Hello, this is my code for the project number 3. So basically what this is, it's a statistics analysis of the hockey teams. The first 3 teams that I got, it's Edmonton Oilers, Pittsburgh Penguins, and New York Rangers. And here are all the keys and values for each of these dictionaries. So first we get the first usage on the dictionary. So depending on what the user inputs in the first question, which I'm going to do right now. So here are the 3 teams. This is on a separate function. The first function that I added, it's to just showcase a little bit of information of the teams. So for example, I choose one, it's going to pop up with this. So with this, and then you selected the team, and then it's gonna show that I won 5 Stanley Cups because of the first value that we have here. And so here we get the game stats. So this one is just going to iterate through each of the values, through each of the players. So it's going to be sorted out like this. So games played, which is GM, and the way that is going to be outputted is this way right here. This code is just going to iterate through these values here and the player's name, and this one is how it's going to be arranged when it outputs. Now for the next one, it's just going to plot the player stats. This one is going to be on a bar plot because here it says PLT bar, and here's just the labels right here, depending on what the user chooses. It's going to be saying here the information is going to be accessing that information from these dictionaries right here. And then this one is going to open the image of whatever player the user is going to choose. So for example, I choose the player Wayne Gretzky, which is the only player that I got the files from. It's going to, among all of the other information that it's going to put, it's going to plot the bar as the information, as what's it called, the var plot function does right here, and then the image right here, and then the pie chart, and then the standard deviation of it, depending on what player we choose. And so where was I? So here it plots the pie chart. Actually, I think I should move this one a little bit lower because kind of gets lost on the images. But, so here the pie chart, the same thing. It accesses the information, and then the player data. He is going to plot this, the points, goals, and assists, and then the values. Here it's going to access whatever variable we just made here. This is just going to plot it. And here, this is just going to do the same thing that we did on top. This is just to show whatever teams are available. This is the number, and this is the team name. Whatever the user, here it is, whatever the user inputs, is going to iterate through this. If it exists, it's just going to access that information. If it doesn't, it's just going to put this image here. for whatever the user inputs. And then here is just going to pop up messages of whatever team you choose. This one just shows how many Stanley Cups, which is what I showed you at first. I did. So about teams, and then whatever team number you put, is what is going to pop up here. This is, and then this is going to go through the team data. This is the index, so it's going to be all the way down. Whenever we put exit here, this is all the team data right here. It's accessing, and then yeah, now this is just inputting the players' names, whatever you choose. This is going to pop up, and then this is what I just clicked. This is a little bit unindented. Let me fix this. Whenever we put exit, this is just going to break the loop. And this is just a lot of the standard deviation things right here. That this one just gathers the function there, and then the name. Here's a function there. Right here calls a function. And yeah, this is all used to call the functions that we used before. Thank you.